are working on the Mazdaspeed3 again. While we're working on this awesome welding and grinding and primer and paint work that we're doing as professionals, we're gonna change out these arms that we did a year or two ago. These are Spec D control arms, and unfortunately they're not good. There's a bolt adjuster bolt here that one side was missing it, so we had to go find our own, which was annoying, and two, it gets stuck. So when we took it for alignment, after we adjusted everything, literally we didn't even drive on it, we just took it straight to alignment. They were like, oh, the bolt was stuck, we couldn't get it to undo itself, to like, we had to do a lot of work to undo it to get it so we can align it, which was annoying because it's a brand new product, so you shouldn't get stuck. So this guy went he went big. He didn't go home, he went big. He went JBR full billet spherical bushing camber arm setup, which is gonna be significantly better than that, which is badass. Probably the best, honestly, the most like fanciest part on your car. Like the coilovers are cool, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be like the most fanciest shit you got right now.
And nobody's gonna see it.
And nobody's gonna see it. But we know it's there, and it's gonna do the job.
No, as long as it doesn't end up like, I wonder if I can do it with it.
Oh yeah, yeah. And the other reason we're yeah, it's moving. If you can't tell, it is moving. That's just after 4 autocross. We didn't even do a track day on these, I don't think.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so one track.
One Blackhawk rod.
So 1 track day, 4 autocross, and some driving on the road. And this already started, I guess, coming loose or whatnot, to the point where he was hearing a knocking sound, and then we figured out it's because that's loose. So that's the other reason they're cheap, which is a shame. It's Spec D. We got them on Car ID. I know Spec D is a cheaper company, but I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that to happen, honestly. So this should not have that problem. This should ultimately be literally the best thing you can get for camber arms. I'm sure there's other companies that make this stuff. JBR is a big company in the Mazdaspeed world, and I'm pretty stoked. When he showed them to me, I lost my mind. I was like, that's awesome. So now to hopefully this shouldn't be too hard. We got 1 bolt here, and I think 1 bolt in the back, and it should come out, hopefully. Oh, that's good. Can you get out? Can you get out? I don't know. Can you get out?
No, hold stay. Oh, I guess I gotta get to it. I gotta take off the fucking evap thing.
Oh, do you?
To get to it, yes.
You're crazy.
No, because I won't be able to get the bolt out all the way.
Oh, this is way more annoying than I want to deal with today. So it looks like on the passenger side, we have to use a 10 mil to take off some bolts for the, what is it, the evap canister?
It's like the evap vent valve or something.
Vent or whatever, yeah.
Evap vent valve.
So hard to get a good shot underneath here, but yeah, it's under there, and it has to be moved so we can get the bolt all the way out from this arm, from the subframe. So
that bolt's gonna hit that vent valve.
Yep.
Why do you gotta make these so long?
You know, this looks fun.
Well, you have no idea. Fucker.
Work on cars, they said.
It'll be fun.
It'll be fun, they said.
Oh.
Oh, finally. There we go.
Ah.
There you go. There you go. Come on already.
Oh, it's gonna go up. This. Ah, it's loose. Can you turn this so it like comes up? Gotta come up like back in the slot.
There.
Okay, there we go.
There you go. There you go. Lift.
There we go.
Lift this side.
So that was
up.
so this was loose because we didn't do that.
Yeah. No, it was loose. It loosened. See, I mean, like the actual setup is the same, right? It's the double nut.
So this nut loosened up
Yep.
on it. So if we, well, technically, if we would have tightened up this nut, would that have? Oh,
It technically should have fixed the problem, but
that one.
listen, lifetime warranty. That's the other thing I forgot to say. And so if you're wondering, it's like, oh, what are these two things here? Well, they're the spacers that sit on each side to make sure it sits tight in here. And what we're gonna do is, you could technically have the engraving facing forward or back. We're gonna have it facing back. Just, I don't know. That's what we like. We're gonna have it facing back. Doesn't really matter either way, but if you ever look underneath, you can see the engraving.
You want to cut the zip tie?
No. So what you're saying is that the shaft should be all the way in, and then we should be adjusting it out with this big nut.
Correct. Because then that also takes it out of the housing too,
Right.
a little bit,
Right.
to put it in. Yep.
That might be too far. Maybe a little too far. And this is a reverse.
You want me to hold it? Okay, you got it. I need like 4 hands for this.
You do. This is a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. This is my trick right here. You put it close like this, and then you force this out a little, and put it through.
Bad angle shots.
Yep. And then you slowly get this other one in. Ah, there we go.
Makes sense to me.
And then send it. Oh, I fucked up already. I forgot. God damn it, man.
Oops. No, now I gotta take the whole thing out again?
Whatever. You guys get it.
There you go, mistake.
Don't forget your bracket.
Once the camera catches the mistake, it's there forever.
It's staying. I don't care. People are going to be like, "Oh, you don't know what you're doing." It's like, yeah. I don't. No, I'm just gonna let it drop. I don't care. I don't care. You don't know what you're doing. That's right.
Don't forget your brackets.
I'm just a dude on the internet doing stuff.
Just remember how it goes this time.
Yeah.
Except now it pinned itself.
Huh?
So now it pinned itself in.
Pinned itself?
Yeah. Oh, the Eddie wrench would be good. Actually, give me like a long ass extension.
Ouch. Pry this part up. Knock it up. Come on. Push. Use your arms. Come on. Come on, muscles. There you go. That's way too long. I'm going too crazy on this. Oh, that definitely pushed up.
Apparently not all the way.
Well, long extension over the exhaust. Works.
What?
Pull it towards the back of the car. Back of the car. There you go.
Oh man, sorry.
That looks like, give me that light. That looks like I didn't extend it long enough. No, it's definitely, yeah, it needs another turn or two. Oh,
What?
towards the car.
Yeah, I am going towards the car. Not the back, the front.
There you go, that's basically done. Parts are great. You gotta remember to tighten these up too. That's all we have left. E-brake goes underneath this bracket. Bracket sits, both loops sit on top of this. Yeah, it's good. Once we're gonna do like a little, like as good as we can type of paint, so it kind of matches the body, and then it's ready to drive again. But we're all done for now.